The Food Service Exchange presents.
Today we will learn how to clean your Intelligent Series ice machine. We recommend the following supplies. Let's get started. First, open bin door. Remove all ice from the self-contained storage bin. Press the on-off button. Then press it on again. Press the clean button. Please note, throughout the cleaning process, the LCD screen will display Add Chemical and 30 minutes to end. Pour Ice Maker Cleaner solution into the water tank. To produce ice after the cleaning cycle process, press the on-off button twice. The next ice making cycle will begin. Remove the reusable air filter and set aside for hand washing. Rinse the air filter with water for best results. This should be done every 30 days for best results. That is how you clean the Intelligent Series ice machine.